we're off to the Central Coast. Danically married chicken.
You've had too many.
How good is Terrigal? Every time.
So yeah, the Central Coast is where we got married.
And it was beautiful.
So we're up to show you around where we got married. Show the kids mainly. They haven't really seen it. But yeah, pretty excited to see what it looks like now. Jordan reckons it looks different, so
I want to see it.
yeah, it'd be cute. We'll take some photos.
Yeah.
Suss out Central Coast. Haven't been there in ages, and then off to.
After the Central Coast, we're heading to the Blue Mountains for a night. Staying at a mate's place there, so that'll be pretty cool. And then we're in Sydney for 6 nights, so we probably will start filming again when we get to Sussex and start actually adventuring again, because we're just going to be visiting friends and family. Don't worry, I'll get the gate.
Okay.
How's this for another Hipcamp? It's done it again.
Alright, there's the chickens, but if you see up there, that's our spot. This is a Hipcamp in someone's yard. They've said they've got 2 friendly dogs. One's up there with Jordan now, which means Finny can maybe run around. And the kids are just using the trampoline. I hope that's okay. But yeah, they're not home. They said they'll be home later on this afternoon. But yeah, beautiful sunshine, beautiful yard, trees, dog can run around. I love Hipcamps, love off-grid.
They're best mates.
What are you gonna go do?
Feed the chicken scraps.
Nice.
You
excited?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Oh, you're a big boy.
Don't let it peck you, you want to throw it in. Thanks, Kaden. Our little gate man.
Beep beep. Woo.
Not getting more wine.
Alright, more, okay. Bunch of chicken cooking. Look at these guys. The kids have found some mates to play with. They're all good.
What's cooking?
I'm cooking Danically married chicken.
You've had too many.
The bit of one. Danica marinated chicken.
It's not marinade.
Chocolate, what is it?
A chicken rub.
Chicken rub. Thank you for rubbing the chicken, baby.
Smells great though.
Yeah.
I'm excited. Don't fuck it up.
It actually smells like I'm in a restaurant.
Oh.
That is perfect. You can't beat that. This is probably the best chicken that anybody has ever cooked.
Smells good.
Huh? What'd you say? You want me to sign up for MasterChef? Or America's Next Top Kitchen?
Look at it.
Hey! Yeah. I've got mates that'd be proud of me for that. Save it. Look at that.
Chef's kiss.
Ah! What is it? Oh my god.
Herbed up potatoes and shrooms.
Roast veggies? Chicken was ready on time.
Yeah.
This is why I'm not fancy enough for wine. Like, it just breaks.
And they all robbed some sushi.
That's a great story. Kane, you got a story?
Oh yeah.
Wait, why am I Shrek?
Because you say Fiona, and Fiona's your sister.
We're just about to see where we got married.
Exciting.
The Boathouse Bar and Restaurant. This is where we got married. The arch was just here, man. It was just this was all different. We're in the right spot.
Are
There
we?
it is. This is the water in the background of our
So guys,
wedding pictures, but there was no boats.
Left boat, yeah.
what stairs were you up on?
We were up there,
When
They
you guys
did look like
off?
that.
and then no, and then we walked down this, and we had lots and lots of photos done out there. We just finished checking out where we got married. It's changed a hell of a lot,
A lot.
like a lot.
I was a bit sad.
Yeah, we'll put some photos up just here somewhere. I'll go over this bit. That was the photo section. But yeah, we're just heading back over to Terrigal Beach, so we'll check all that out because we absolutely love Terrigal. That's where we used to come all the time. That's why we ended up getting married up here. And the Crown Plaza we used to stay at because
We were fancy as hell.
I want to go on the rock. I want to go on.
how good is Terrigal? Every time we always love our Terrigal.
Look at it.
It used to be our mad spot. What?
It's ruined.
Oh, another storm. Yeah, we're gonna have some more rain tonight. Woo! It's cookie time.
Cookie, cookie, cookie.
Oh, what are you making, Aves?
M&M cookies.
Stuffed
banana cookies, stuffed cookies,
Yep. Oh,
marshmallow cookies.
so you just pop that in there, and then what?
This is an attempt. We're not sure how well
Whoa.
this will go.
Then you
There's our brown bear that's just been hanging out with us the whole time. Caden's right over there riding a little motorbike that the owners of the Hipcamp have. That's pretty cool. Which it.
This is how we make cookies in our household.
If you catch one in your mouth, you get to have it ready. 1, 2, 3. Look. Yeah.
Nicely done.
One. Katie, you want one? Try again.
Second roll.
Hey, and that was the Central Coast.
See you later, Terrible.
See ya. So we had to sell 2 of our bikes. It's an Econo's bikes sold because the bike rack was bending off the back of the Caravan. So, which we were warned about. I did mention that before. But I didn't have anything to fix the problem. So yeah, 2 bikes had to go. So the kids' bikes are now in the back of the ute. So there'll be some rearranging of some stuff. It was a bit of a mission, but it was a fun pack up.
Bit of a workout for you.
Yeah, we loved going down to Terrigal and checking all that areas out.
So many cool memories. I'm just sad about the changes. Obviously change happens, but I don't know. I just wanted to reenact a bit more cool photos and it was just so different.
So we're off to the Blue Mountains now, just for one night. We're staying with a mate, then we're in Sydney for a few nights. So we're
4/7s.
4/7s. But we might be a little bit quiet on the movies because I don't think you really want to see a movie of I don't know, Sydney. In my opinion, that's where we live. This is what we just know. So after Sydney, we'll be in Sussex Inlet, and we cannot wait. Woo! We'll see you all there.